What is thy bidding, my master?
There is a great disturbance in the Force.
What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Darth Sidious from Star Wars. We're going to start this drawing with the most prominent feature of the character, which are the eyes. So we're going to move over to the left side and draw on the upper eyelid. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve in and then bend that down on the inside. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing over on the right. So we're going to line this up, we'll curve up and then out. Let's curl in the inside edge of the brow. Starting from the left, we're going to curve in and up in the center. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Just coming up right in the middle. Now we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So leaving a gap on the outside, we're going to draw a half circle. Curving around towards the bottom. We'll just pull that up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw two smaller circles in the center of each eye. So we'll start on the left side. And then we'll line this up on the right. And we're going to go in and fill the pupils in black. Now lined up with the bottom edge of the eye, we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down in the middle and then back up on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction to the bridge of the nose. Now we want to add some deep eye bags. So on the outside of the eye, we want to curve down and then back up on the inside of the eye. We'll curve down a little bit lower underneath the eye, and we'll pull that up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Start from the inside, curve down, come up towards the outside of the eye. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, we curve down, and then up on the right. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve out and in. And then we'll add the top row of teeth. Starting from the center, we're going to draw almost like a U, coming down and up towards the left, and then the right. We'll add a couple more on each side. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the inside edge of the hood. Starting from the edge of the brow, we're going to curve up in the middle, and we'll pull that down on the right side. And then from the center of the brow, we're going to draw a straight line going up underneath the hood. Now you want to continue this curve of the hood, going out and then down on both sides. And we're going to round this out and come up in the middle. So just round this out and come up to right above there. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the head. Over on the left side, underneath the hood, we're going to curve down in towards that center point, and we'll curve up on the right. Let's fill that inside area in black. Let's go back and add some detail. We're going to start with the center line, just up above the brow. We're going to curve up and out towards the left, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw another curve, going up and out. And then we'll add some wrinkles along the top of the brow. Starting from the inside on the left, we're going to curve up and in. Now we're going to move out, curve out and up. We'll do that one more time. Stepping out again, draw one more curve. Let's add another wrinkle underneath the eye bag. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then in. We'll add another bracket on the outside corners of the mouth. Stepping out, curve out, and then in. on both sides. Now we're going to move out and draw on the outside edge of the hood. In line with the brow, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a large half circle. We're going to go up in the middle and come down on the right side. Now from the ends, we're going to blend into a curve going out. We'll round this out and then just pull that in along the inside of the hood. Just tucking that up underneath. Let's add that Sith brooch underneath the chin. So on the left, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. We'll close off the bottom with a straight line. I just want to add a little bit of detail. Over on the left, we're going to add a circle. We'll add a larger circle in the middle. Add a small circle on the right. I'm just going to add a small half circle just underneath the hood. Now we're going to move out and draw the side of the body. From the bottom corner of the brooch, we're going to step out just underneath the hood, curve out, and then down towards the bottom. Go over towards the right, and we're going to do the same thing, towards the same height. From the bottom corner of the brooch, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the same height. Now we want to connect these two lines with a curve, going down, and then up, and we'll connect these 2 points with another curve. And then we're going to add in the feet. From the bottom corner of the cloak, we're going to curve out, round out the foot, and then pull that up and in. Do the same thing on the right, curving out, rounding out the foot, and pulling that in. Now we're going to add the hands over on the side. Let's start on the left side. From here, we're going to curve up, round out the first finger, come down, and we're just going to hook that up. Let's take this, flip it over on the right side. So we want to line this up, curve up, down, round out the tip of the finger, and then go back up. We're going to add 2 more fingers on either side. Starting on the side, curve around, and then up. It's almost like an oval. Step down, we'll draw that 1 more time. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Starting from the side, curve around, and then up. Do that 1 more time. Now we're going to go back to the inside and draw on the thumb. Curve in, out, round out the thumb, and then pull that back in. Do the same thing on the right. Curving in, out, and then rounding out the thumb. And then from the bottom of the finger, we curve down and up underneath the thumb. Now we're going to draw on the inside edge of the sleeve. Starting from the bottom of this finger, we're going to curve down, we're going to round this out. Now I just want to pull this up towards the outside of the thumb. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the thumb, curve down towards the same height, we'll round this out, and then pull that up. Let's fill the inside of the sleeve in black. Let's move to the bottom of the sleeve. We're going to curve in and then up behind the body. And do the same thing on the right side. Now we'll finish off with the top of the arm. Starting from that center finger, we're going to curve up over that first finger and then down. Do the same thing on the right side, curving up and then down. And then from the top of this curve, we're going to move out, curve up and in behind the head on both sides. And there we have it. There's Darth Sidious from Star Wars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please give this video a like and click on one of these videos over on the side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another new lesson.